Data from the World Health Organization shows that almost all of the global population, 99%, breathes air that exceeds WHO guidelines. Based on the result of air measurements, IQR in 2021, Indonesia ranked 17 with the worst air quality in the world. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency (EPA), the concentrations of some pollutants are often 2 until 5 times higher than concentrations outdoors. People who are most vulnerable to the ill effect of the pollution tend to spend more time indoors. One solution to this problem is to use an air purifier. However, the price of an air purifier is quite expensive and cannot detect air quality. In addition, according to the Indonesian Plantation General, sugarcane production in 2022 will reach 2.3 million tons. This certainly has an impact on the abundance of babies.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Mardliyyatul Aula.
And I am Aulia Maulida Kasana.
We are from Manila, Madrasah Auliya Negeri 1 of Lamongan. Of the problems previously described, we create a solution, namely beauty, biggest air purifier monitoring system, namely an air filter equipped with an ESP32 microcontroller and MQ135 sensor.
This innovation uses the IoT system to help realize Society 5.0 in Indonesia. So beauty can be used as an air filter while monitoring air quality. Later monitoring result can be accessed via a smartphone.
Why use bagasse? Because bagasse can be processed into activated charcoal and can be used as an absorbent material. Furthermore, it was found that zeolite is a material that can absorb pollutants in the air. The formulation of the problem in this research is: first, how to make an IoT based as an indoor air filter and monitoring. Second, how is beauty test based on its functionality. Third, how effective is the beauty indoor air filter and monitoring device. The type of research used is quantitative. Meanwhile, for research methods, researchers use experiment and literature studies. The tools and materials we used in the study were acrylic, ESP32 microcontroller, MQ135 sensor, jumper cables, bagasse, silica gel, zeolite, chloric acid, charcoal, insect repellent, and cigarettes.
Researchers used the MQ135 sensor, which is connected to the ESP32 for processing. Next, the sensor reading data will be sent to Firebase. Then making the application is done using the Codular application. Data from Firebase will be plugged into Codular. The beauty application uses serial communication to connect to each other, so that reading data can be sent to the internet-based beauty application. The image is coding for beauty tool programming, namely coding Firebase database connection and Wi-Fi connection, MQ135 sensor coding and ESP32 connection to Wi-Fi, coding MQ135 sensor reading and data sending, making Firebase to read data.
First, pure sugarcane, then baked sugarcane until charred. After that, the charcoal was activated using chloric acid. After that, shape the charcoal into flat balls and put it in the oven. The tool assembly was continued with the order of zeolite, silica gel, and activated charcoal, followed by the installation of the MQ135 sensor. So, beauty is ready.
The mechanism of beauty's work is to put beauty in the room. Then the air quality is read by the sensor. Then the data from the sensor is sent to ESP32 and received by ESP32. Then retrieve the data sent to the smartphone. And if the air quality is outside the standard parameters, beauty will issue an application notification.
The following are air quality parameters. Air quality 400 ppm is the average outdoor air level. 400 until 1000 ppm is the air level occupied by having good air exchange. If the ppm level is 1000 and above, the indoor air has a negative impact on the body and dangerous. The following are the results of research where the air in the room was polluted using mosquito coils, cigarette smoke, and charcoal smoke. In testing with 2400 ppm mosquito repellent smoke, it fell to 818 ppm within 1 hour with an air filtration percentage of 72%. Furthermore, testing with cigarette smoke, ppm worth 2,400 fell to 680 ppm within 1 hour with an filtering percentage of 66%. Then with the presentation of 1,700 ppm worth of charcoal smoke, it fell to 800 ppm within 1 hour with a percentage of 66%. The following is a few of the beauty applications.
So, the conclusion of research making beauty begins with making activated charcoal bags, then determining parameter indicators, making a series of couple runs, making programming, and finally making an application. The beauty design is able to degrade mosquito repellent pollutants by 72% in 1 hour, charcoal smoke by 50-30% in 1 hour, and cigarette smoke by 66% in 1 hour.
We believe that our research is beneficial for health. Beautiful air with beauty. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.